Hi, it's Dr. David Greene, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the global leader in regenerative therapies. All right, today I'm continuing with the FAQ video series. I'm up to question 16. How do we determine the dosage of stem cells for your procedure? No two patients are exactly alike, so when our consultants review your case, they're going to put together a recommendation that is customized to you. All right, so I'll give you a few examples. If you come to us for treatment in Mexico with stage 4 kidney failure, all right, and our consultants deem you to be a candidate, they're going to recommend anywhere from 1 million stem cells per kilogram upwards of 2 million stem cells per kilogram. All right, they're going to look at your GFR, your creatinine, things like that. Okay, so it's a calculation. And it also, the amount of stem cells you usually need depends a lot on your weight and the severity of the condition that you're dealing with, okay? Now, let's say you come to us for treatment in the Philippines because you have arthritis in your knees and shoulders. Well, for a normal sized joint, what our providers are going to do would be 2 cc's of our Warden's Jelly product, okay, which has anywhere from 15 to 30 million stem cells total, plus PRP. The combination works amazingly well for joint pain. Now, let's say you come to us in South Africa with a significant neurodegenerative condition. Well, it may be 2 million stem cells per kilogram. It could be upwards of 3 million stem cells per kilogram, okay? And once again, that depends on your weight and the condition and the severity with which you are suffering from. Here's another example. Let's say you come to us for treatment for your child in Mexico for autism. And let's say your child is 7 years old and weighs about 20 kilograms. Well, we typically use a higher factor to make sure that your child gets enough stem cells to be truly effective. So we may end up doing a multiple of 5, upwards of 100 million stem cells, or give or take, depending on the severity and your child's weight. So that'll give you a little bit of an idea of how our consultants calculate the amount of stem cells that are necessary. We have a lot of experience with over 26,000 stem cell procedures performed over the last decade, and there's actually a lot of peer-reviewed research that goes into our evidence-based decision-making for those calculations. Visit us online today at r3stemcell.com. Call us today to set up your free consultation at +1 844 GET STEM, or you can email us at info@r3stemcell.com. Thank you.